How to capture many photos at once on Sony Alpha camera. If you own a Sony Alpha camera, including models like the A7, A7 II, A7 III, A7 IV, or A7 V, and want to take multiple photos in rapid succession with a single press of the shutter button, then this guide will help you out. Setting your camera to continuous shooting mode ensures you capture multiple images, making it ideal for fast-moving subjects or action photography. Step 1. Access the drive mode. Turn on your Sony Alpha camera. Press the menu button to open the settings menu. Navigate to the Shoot Mode Drive 1 section. Select Drive Mode from the menu. Choose one of the continuous shooting options. High Plus captures photos at the fastest possible frame rates. High, Mid, or Low adjusts the frame rate to your preference. Step 2. Use the Drive button for quick access. Locate the Drive Mode button on the camera body, commonly near the control wheel. Press the button, then use the control wheel or joystick to select Continuous Shooting. Confirm your choice by pressing the center button on the control wheel. By following these steps, you can set your Sony Alpha camera to capture multiple photos at once, ensuring you don't miss any critical moments. Let me know if you found this guide helpful or if you have further questions.